Very good morning, students. Today we are starting with a new chapter in science on page number 30, chapter 4, birds. Let's read the chapter first and then we'll try to understand what is given in this chapter. So this chapter is mainly about birds, different features that we find in birds. Let's start the reading. You must have seen many birds chirping around you and flying up in the sky. Do you know what makes a bird different from other animals? Is it the feathers? All birds have feathers. Other characteristic features of birds are: all birds have wings, but not all birds fly. Very important. Birds have beaks or bills and do not have teeth. Birds have 2 legs and claws. Some birds make their own nest while others live in others' nest. Okay, so here different features of birds are given. What make birds different from other animals? So we all have seen birds, how they look, how they fly. Some are flying birds and some are flightless birds. The birds that can fly are flying birds, and the birds that do not fly, they do have wings but they do not fly. They are flightless birds. Okay? Sparrow, pigeon, crow, these are all flying birds. They can fly. And penguins, those are flightless birds. Okay, they have wings but they do not fly. Second characteristic of bird is they have beaks or bills and they do not have teeth. So they do not bite or chew their food, okay, with their teeth. They bite it with the help of their beaks, okay. Birds की चोंच होती है, beaks is चोंच, okay. And they eat their food with the help of those beak or bills only. Next, birds have 2 legs and claws. Okay? So, they have only 2 legs, no hands. Instead of hands, they have feathers. Okay? And all birds have feathers. सारी birds के पास feathers होते हैं. Okay? And 2 legs होते हैं. Legs में claws attached होते हैं. As you can see in this image, they are 2 legs and 2 big claws. These are claws. Next, some birds make their own nest while others live in others' nest. So some birds make their own nest. Others are very lazy. For example, cuckoo bird. You can see here this is a cuckoo bird. What does a cuckoo bird do? She lays eggs in the nest of other birds. Cuckoo birds अपने eggs किसी और bird के nest में produce करते हैं and they let them take care of their eggs. Okay, of their young ones. So these are some characteristic features of birds. Okay, let's read ahead. How birds fly. Here are some special body features which help birds in flying. Okay, so we all wonder how birds fly. How come just two wings help them to fly? Okay, if we flap our hands in the air, we cannot fly. हम लोग अपने hands हवा में flap करेंगे तो हम उड़ नहीं जाएंगे. But birds can fly. How? Let's read and see what are these special features. Light body. A bird's body is very light because its bones are hollow. उनकी bones में weight नहीं होता है. Okay? उनकी bones अंदर से खोखली या hollow होती हैं. Okay? We human beings have heavy bones. We have thick bones. But birds have hollow bones that helps them to fly. So, light body is their first feature of flying. Next, boat-shaped body. The body of a bird is boat-shaped, that is streamlined, which helps it fly through the air easily. Okay, so the birds have boat-shaped body. They have their body in shape of a boat. How is a boat? It is narrow at first, then wide in the middle, then narrow again in the end. So that is the same shape of a bird. The shape helps the boat to swim in water and stay up, and the same shape helps the bird to fly in the air. So the birds have boat-shaped body, streamlined, okay, that helps them to fly in the air easily. Next, feathers, very important features. The wings have feathers attached to them, which helps birds fly high in the sky. So, the wings have feathers, okay, पर होते हैं उनके wings में, that helps them to fly. Next, tail. The tail of a bird helps it to change its direction while flying. Okay, so the birds have a small tail and in their behind. Okay, that tail helps them to change their direction. While they are flying, they can easily change their direction because in the air there is wind, right? So it is not very easy to change direction while you are flying up in the air. But a small tail in the behind helps the birds to change its direction. जब वो हवा में उड़ रहे होते हैं तब हवा में उनको डायरेक्शन चेंज करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. ओके, बिकॉज ऊपर हवा बहुत चलती है, राइट? सो द लिटिल टेल हेल्प्स देम टू चेंज डायरेक्शंस. नेक्स्ट, मूवमेंट ऑफ विंग्स. Birds flutter their wings when they want to fly. They flutter their wings in two directions. First, downstrokes, when the wings move downwards and backwards. Second, upstrokes, when the wings move upwards and forward. Children, as you see in this image, the bird wings are up. Okay, so when the bird wings are upward and forward, ऊपर और आगे की तरफ होते हैं, those are called as upstrokes. They move upward and forward. What are they called? Upstrokes. Always remember. Now, what are downstrokes? When the wings move downwards and backwards. नीचे और पीछे की तरफ जब उनके wings flap करते हैं, those are called as downstrokes. As you can see in this image, the bird is flying with her wings down. So they go downwards and backwards. These are downstrokes.